Hi guys, we have here the AC5 steam cleaner from Karcher. So the problem with this unit is that there is no steam. It does not produce steam when I press this steam gun. So I'm gonna show you what particular parts should be replaced and how to check it. So stay tuned guys. I'm going to plug the steamer. Let's see what happens. So be sure there is water in the water tank, and guys, we will wait until this icon stops blinking. Then it means that the boiler is ready to produce steam. Now it stopped blinking, so by now if you press this steam gun, the steam should come out from here. So I'm pressing it now, but unfortunately there is no steam. So guys, we're going to open this steam cleaner and see what happens. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to open it now. Remove the water tank. So I'm gonna use the hex Allen screw. So you have here 6 screws, so you need to remove it. So guys, now the boiler is open, so I'm gonna show you what's the problem with this. So the main problem is that the solenoid valve is not off, the solenoid coil. So if you can see this one is attached to the solenoid valve. If this thing is broken or defective, so it cannot open up the solenoid valve when you press the steam gun. So I'm gonna remove it and so guys, here it is. So you can see it is already blatted. So that means that this solenoid coil, this is solenoid coil from the means that it's already defective. So I'm gonna remove this and replace it with a new one. A new solenoid valve. This is I ordered from online, so from Karcher. So you can search this part number online and it will appear. So I think from Amazon or any online. So this is the solenoid valve. This is the valve. This is the solenoid coil. So if you press the steam gun, this solenoid coil will energize and it will pull the mechanism inside, and it will open up, then the steam will come out. So I'm not going to replace the whole solenoid valve. I'm only going to replace this coil because I think the solenoid valve is good. So I'm gonna remove this. That's this. So this is the bad one. Let's see if there is resistance. So no resistance at all. So that means that the coil inside is already burned or broken. So there is a reading? No, there's no reading. So this is the defective part. The defective part doesn't have a resistance. So the new valve, the valve coil, solenoid coil, let's see how much we can get. So we have 2.4 ohms. So this is a good one. So the ground, there's no grounding. So at least you can have a resistance of 2.4 for the good one. So I'm gonna put it there and connect the wirings and assemble it again. Then let's see if it will produce steam. So hang on, guys. Nalak. So guys, I already put everything back, so let's test it. So here is the water tank, and I'm going to attach the steam gun. So here is the steam gun. Already plug it in, so I'm gonna switch this thing on. So let's see what happens. Okay, now it's blinking. So let's wait until this icon stops blinking, then it's ready for steaming to a higher settings. So here I put it to maximum. So I'm going to press it now. Yeah, it's steaming now. Yes, I think we're good now. Steam. So I will press it now again. Yeah. So the only problem is this solenoid coil. So you can order it online. Just take the part number of this. I think in Amazon or Alibaba.com. It's available. It's available inline, guys. So a couple of bucks, you can repair this steamer. So guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this, and good luck and God bless.